Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw money from your Morgan Stanley account in 2025. Whether you're planning for a big purchase, an emergency fund, or just managing your investments, knowing this process can save you time and hassle. Morgan Stanley has streamlined their services over the years, so let's break it down step by step to make it easy and stress-free. First things first, you'll need to log into your Morgan Stanley online account. Head over to their website or use the mobile app. Make sure you have your username, password, and any two-factor authentication ready. Security is a big deal in 2025, so double-check that you're on a secure connection to protect your info. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Transfers section. Look for the Withdrawal option. It might be under Manage Funds or Withdrawals. Here, you'll see a dashboard showing your available balance. Double-check that before proceeding. Next, select your withdrawal method. In 2025, Morgan Stanley offers options like direct bank transfer, wire transfer, or even ACH payments. Choose the one that works best for you, keeping in mind any potential fees. For example, a bank transfer is usually quick but might have a small charge. Now, enter the details for your withdrawal. This includes the amount you want to withdraw, your linked bank account information, and any additional verification required, like a PIN or security questions. Take a moment to review everything to avoid mistakes. Accuracy is key. After that, hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the funds should hit your account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the method. Remember, market conditions or holidays could affect processing times, so plan ahead. A few quick tips. Always monitor your account for any unauthorized activity, and if you're withdrawing a large sum, consider consulting a financial advisor. Morgan Stanley might have updated policies in 2025, so check their official site for the latest info. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Let's keep building that financial knowledge together.